Let's just start it from the top again.
Okay, you don't need any more talk about how our generation is cooked and how the world's ending. You get enough of that. One thing our generation has done though, is it's lost the idea of a third space. So today, I went out to the store and got a ton of food to have my friends over. The concept of a third place is very simple. The first place, that's your home. That's just where you stay, where you live, eat, sleep, whatever. Second place is your work or your school. You know, whatever you do to fill up your time, to make a living, work towards a goal, whatever. Just think work. It's the third place where we've lost it. It's where you go to relax, socialize. It's where you go to just be. Think coffee shops, barbershops, think parks, I like to see those videos of people playing chess in a park. Like, that's so sick. Think of your local bar, or I don't know, you're a regular at a place. Think of eating lunch or dinner outside with your friends, knowing, hey, I can go over here and just hang out and just be. And you know what brings people together? That's right, food. Okay, so it's 4 now, and I'm gonna dice up potatoes and Brussels sprouts. That way they can just be done and ready whenever I want to put meat on the grill around 6-ish. So we're gonna do that. Now, I was blessed to grow up in a home where my family had people over all the time. We were like the hosting family. We moved away, and I remember talking to an old buddy that lived in the neighborhood. He said that once we moved, it was like the neighborhood, the block, kind of like shut down. Like, people didn't really have a place anymore. And my goal for my home when I'm older is to be that home, to be the place where people know that there's an open door policy. All right, 5:30 now. I'm going to season some chicken, season some steak, and wait for people to show up, I guess. I told people to bring steak if they wanted it, because I was not able to pay for that much steak for people. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna fire up the grill and get rolling. Chicken seasoned, steaks seasoned, potatoes. Matthew Aldridge.
Hey guys, my name's Brinley, and I'm friends with Matthew. He's like one of my best friends. Don't tell him I said this, but he eats poop for breakfast, poop from my butt, specifically. And that's about all I know about him.
Thank you for summertime, for finals being done, Lord.
No!
Thank you, Matthew. This is delicious, and you're a great friend of mine. And no matter what you find later on the camera video of something I've said, just remember that I love you.
Guys, Bieber.
Friggin' housing that thing, bro. You've been housing it, bro. It's like,
I mean, it's just water. Everybody needs water. I need my water. Today just bought 60 liters of water just to get over the next 2 weeks. Wow. And everybody is laughing at me like it was, I don't know, just water.
The reason why I packed it on was because the picture of the rice seasoning on the onigiri, there's a ton. So it's like misleading. And then you try like one little bite of it, it's all salt.
What does it taste like?
It's just really
I like salt.
Sprinkled with that, right?
Three, two, one.
wait, but there's 3 more seconds on the clock magically.
He can't get you.
Go play.
Yeah, like y'all took really random stuff.
It was stuff
it's
that was-
usually stuff I could see. Like I never
mild
realized.
inconvenience.
Here's my time. You realize I think we were shot straight by the and now it's too late. So much for another soulmate.
We have 3 people in recess.
You're not and you like do this, but then they get on the floor, they like climb up, and
I'm a hit just as well. I'm a hit, we all the same. Harrison is really tall. That's just not all. He's a really good fella and he's looking at me right now. Think I might just call it a night. Get me a big tall glass of wine. Lay up by his side.